the S80 Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the S80 Plus by Astrotec. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and an assortment of ear tips. The S80 Plus features 5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. 10 minutes will give you 1.5 hours. 6mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, and USB-C for charging. The case has a slim profile. The top lid is plastic and the bottom half has a fabric type lining, similar to the LiProtect case. The top of the lid you also have the branding. And on the front, you have the status LEDs. And on the right side is the USB-C charge port. The lid clicks into place to close, and I found it easier to open by just gripping the sides, rather than opening it from the front. Earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case. And you have the ear indicators etched in inside. Earbuds have a simple standard design with a curve towards the ear tips. It has a matte finish with the ear markings on the inside. The outer face has gold accenting and a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have LED, microphone, touch controls, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and calls is a few taps to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.7 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's not you, it's me, it's she. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know. And I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is the test of the Astrotec S80 Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found the microphone quality to be a bit low for my liking. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the S80 Plus. They created a secure, snug fit and they seated well in my ears. It does take a slight twist to get them seated properly. There is good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. Having the touch controls helps to reduce pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is fair. The fabric finish on the case gives it a premium look and feel. Earbuds feel durable and the touch controls responded well and not overly sensitive. Battery life is decent, coming in at 5 hours and 25 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging. Also, there's no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these exposed to the elements. Now when it comes to sound, the bass has its presence. It's not overwhelming or it doesn't sound boosted, but it was just right for me. I think these excel on the mids and highs. It comes in a bit forward with good separation and depth. I would describe it as a crisp, balanced sound experience. Overall, I feel these performed well with decent sounds and a design. It does come in at a crowded price point, so it will come down to what you're looking for in the overall design and features. So that is my review of the Astrotec S80 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.